In today's Q&A question, can standing desks hurt your back? Hey guys, Greg with BTOD TV and BTOD.com. Today's Q&A question, can a standing desk hurt your back, is a great question because this is something that many of you are probably wondering, as a standing desk, as it's implied, means you're standing at your desk and you probably think, heck, you're gonna stand there all day. This has to be bad for your back or even maybe your knees. But for this more specifically, we're gonna look at your back today. And don't forget, if you have any questions related to anything office furniture, please send them to our direct message. Again, that is BTOD TV at Instagram. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the question. Can a standing desk hurt your back? And this actually is something that, again, is going to depend. Like many things in life, there is no exact answer for every single person. It's going to depend on your own individual body and what your body really is set up for, as far as like strength in your lower back, how you are on a day-to-day basis, if you have normal back pain, or maybe you have a back injury that you've been really kind of working throughout the course of your life, or maybe just the past few weeks. Now, doing anything too much, whether it be sitting or standing, is likely to lead to some pain in your body. Now, if you are not using the standing desk that you bought properly, so for instance, you've got the desk set too low, you've almost hunched over, you're not able to get things set up properly where you're standing straight, there's a chance that you could definitely develop some back pain there. Likewise, if you haven't stood a lot for work and now you've bought a standing desk and you find yourself trying to really stand throughout the entire day, there's a good chance that your muscles in your back, they're probably not ready for standing all day, and you're gonna find that you'll get some soreness just from that. But what we tell customers is that, number one, you don't wanna get just a standing desk, a desk that's fixed at a standing height. And if you do, you're gonna wanna look for something that will allow you to sit down to take breaks from standing, because no matter how fit you are or how strong your back is, you need to take breaks. I mean, we've had standing desks here for over 10 years in our office, and I've never been one to really truly enjoy standing all day just because it's uncomfortable. I know I need breaks. Just like when I'm sitting, I need breaks from sitting, and that's why I moved to standing. And that's why you'll see me throughout my day just transitioning from a sit to stand, sit to stand, sit to stand. And it really helps, number one, break up the day. It helps to get you moving a little bit more. Honestly, it just is good for your body to see movement and not be fixed in a chair, no matter how good the ergonomic chair, or again, standing all day, because you'll find yourself fidgeting, you'll find yourself getting tired, and once you start to get tired, you'll fatigue. Once you fatigue, your posture will change, and these are where bad habits form, and then you start to get uncomfortable, and you will probably develop some type of back pain. So, will a standing desk hurt your back or create some type of back pain? I think, again, it comes down to a couple things. Number one, that you're standing too long for too many days, too many weeks, too many months, or you're using the standing desk improperly and you're not getting that correct posture that you should be getting from a standing desk. So can they create back pain? I think yes. Is it something that will last forever? It will really depend on your body. And if you don't normally have any significant back issues, probably not, and probably won't be a problem. But hopefully this helped answer your question. If a standing desk will hurt your back or create back pain, if it did, please help us out, hit that like button. If you've got any comments on this specific video, drop them down in the comments section below. And don't forget to send us your questions to our Instagram, BTOD TV at Instagram. We'll go ahead and jump on here and answer them for you. Thanks a lot for watching.